girl, welcome back to the channel. Xrsbeauty reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and wanted me to do a review on their new lace frontal wig. Now this lace frontal wig is supposed to be like put on and go type of lace frontal wig, where this company has done everything for you as far as bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline, using a lace that is going to melt into your skin without having to do a whole lot. So I want to talk about it, okay? So first off, let me show you guys the difference between the laces. Number one, now with this lace, it is supposed to be an upgrade from your traditional regular brown lace as well as your regular transparent lace. This lace on this wig is supposed to be like top tier, like the top of the line type of lace. Okay, first of all, Coco Melon is playing in the background because I have Ariana in the studio with me today. I'm trying to record. I'm trying to get it all done today. Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so first of all, I had to re-record this video because I was not feeling the look. So in my head, I was already kind of questioning the direction of where I was going with that. But when I saw it in playback, I'm like, girl, no, we cannot post that. No. Okay, so I wanted to re-record this because number one, the hair was just getting way too big, and most importantly, the hairline was just not giving. I am loving the way I did my hair, my baby hairs today. It's just a very soft look, and I felt like with the previous look, the baby hair was just way too harsh, way too thick, just girl, what are you doing type of vibe. And I feel like adding that gel to the hair definitely made the curls pop even more. Like, excuse this, honey. But like, as you can see, like the hair and the waves in the hair is just popping. So Xrsbeauty reached out to me again to do another review on their new skin like lace. You guys know I recently did a video for them about a month ago, which I absolutely enjoyed making that video. Love that wig, love the lace, just everything about that wig was perfect. It was definitely a beginner's friendly wig that made you feel like you went to the salon, literally, because everything was perfect, everything was done to the T. Okay, hairline was plucked and blended, knots was bleached, lace was melted without having to do anything. Like, girl, they were serving with that wig. And with this wig, I felt like they did the absolute same. It's just the texture of the hair is now curly. Just a couple of specs before we get into the review on this wig. Let me pull it up real quick. Hold on. This is a 20-inch curly lace frontal wig with a density of 150%. If you get this wig, you will save 20% off, which is a major deal because normally 20% off on a wig is very hard to come by. But this type of wig, oh girl, baby, when I tell you, you will not regret spending your coins on this wig. I'm telling you. 150% density. It is a 13x6 new clear lace and a clean hairline. Girl, absolutely agree, 100%. This is definitely a super cute wig with a great hairline. Hairline is A1. Bleach knots, A1. Clear lace, A1. Like, period. The lace is definitely something that is a huge bonus with this wig as well as the previous wig that I did. But this is definitely a bonus, especially when it comes to curly hair. I feel like with curly hair, you definitely need a laid lace. And I honestly feel like with curly hair, baby hairs look the best. But like I was saying in the last, before I redid the video, I feel like the baby hairs was just way too harsh, doing way too much. Just real girl, no, you need to redo. You need to retry it all over again because it's not working. I feel like with the soft baby hairs, and it just looks real gentle. The baby hairs look soft. They don't look harsh. Like, I feel like this is definitely the look that I needed, and it is definitely giving, okay? So number one, as you guys saw, this hair gets really, really big. I couldn't figure out what this hair needed to get it to be weighed down and for the curls to be defined. When it comes to like defining my curls on my wigs, you guys know like mousse is like my go-to product, hands down. But with this hair, mousse just wasn't doing it. I mean, it was holding it down for a little bit, but because the texture in the hair is so thick, it just wasn't holding the waves to prevent it from poofing up and getting frizzy. So girl, I had some gel over here, this Eco Styling black castor oil with flaxseed oil. Girl, I was like, look, let me just put this on here because this ain't doing it. Now, I don't know how it's going to look once it dries. I would assume dry down like this, but I don't really know. But I definitely feel like if I run my fingers through it, it will get bigger. So I got to speed this video up because as you guys can see, I'm trying to talk over Ari. I'm trying to make sure she's straight. Don't even play with yourself, okay? Don't even play with yourself. Get your hands on this wig, especially because you have the opportunity to save 20% off. Like I said, there's so many ways that you can wear this wig. This can definitely be a versatile wig that you can get so many uses out of, and especially considering that the hairline on this wig is A1. Everything will be below in the description bar. Please make sure you check out that coupon code so you can save yourself 20%. I'll also post a video link to the last video that I did for them. Wavy hair, girl, I love that hair. I have worn that hair